Hari Om to you all. Glory to him for leading us from surface level to a deeper level through the anecdotes of a teacher, an unerring student, as well as a non-believer doctor and an ardent devotee. Now let us see what is in store for us. A newspaper photographer went to Ecuador in 1987 to cover the earthquake and the vast devastation that had taken place in the country. In the midst of that catastrophic suffering, he witnessed a scene of compassion that moved him so deeply that he wrote a story about it. And that is how we got it. Immediately after the devastation, there will be total confusion everywhere. For a couple of days, everything came to a standstill. No food, no water, nothing. We can just imagine the plight of the people. And somehow, God prompted a group of another people to bring at least some food items, biscuits, fruits, some bakery products, so that it can, as soon as the agency started doing it, there is a big commotion, in a disorderly manner, because everybody was anxious to get it. So they insisted for them to form a queue. And the queue was very, very long. And they were trying to distribute at least one set of one fruit, like that, they have been giving. But as they were proceeding, a 12-year-old girl, she was also in the queue. Normally, children will be curious to look here and there. But here, God made her to watch the 3 children, young, very small children, standing on the other side of this distribution center, looking, in an emaciated way, not taking part in this. So as the girl's turn came, what was left out was only some few bananas. So she was given a banana. Instead of eating, she rushed up to these 3 children, peeled out the skin, made it into 3 parts, gave everything to them. And this is the touching point. She was trying to scoop whatever is left over in the leaf, peel the leaf, and she was tasting it. The photographer, as we said earlier, clicked at this. And you know what he wrote? Today I saw the face of God. We also received it through email only, many years back. Now, looking at the spiritual angle, how he arranged everything, to make us know the real concept of God. God is beyond all concepts. He can't be defined. He can't be brought within the ambit of knowables. But still we need, as we have got a name and form, we need something to move forward. So instead of telling, when you are compassionate, you play the part of God. Here is an incident by which he shows the absence of otherness is the one which you name it as God. And that was clearly, explicitly made in the form of the girl. And you can see how beautifully he set the stage for it. So let us all try to take this theme, leave the characters, leave the scene. But if he wants, he will be able to bring it out in a beautiful form, and the planning will be excellent, execution will be excellent. Let us all try to see him more and more in whatever activities he makes us to plunge in. First in the positive ones, and later on in everything. Hari Om.